tilting up.
Say, Mommy, leave my love bunny alone. That is little alligator, love alligator. Get my spine.
You're out. Go away.
Bad thing is she's a female. Little. What are you doing with your alligator?
She said, I want head. Give me head.
Wait a minute, I gotta get a side view. Hello, little. Seth.
Take your alligator to bed. You're not supposed to be doing that shit in the living room.
Can I come in?
Not
No.
yet.
There we go, little.
Now?
No.
What is she doing?
Don't worry about it. Lord. Little. Hey, little. Mommy's got your alligator. Oh my God. Mommy's got it. Mommy's got the alligator. Mommy. Mommy. Okay. No. Okay.
Hey, I'm right here.
Not in
Go
here.
away.
Get away from my room.
Hey guys, listen to this. One pair of snow boots, ice skates, hamburger foam, and a red velvet sack with gold trim. This is the receipt for my donation. The Christmas Hope Foundation piece.
Toby, let me see that.
Okay, now little head.
This must be where it is.
So they really
Frankie, you're not gonna get her love doll.
but then
And almost still
does
a
that mean
stick.
you guys are for real?
Did she not pay attention to the stick?
Joe, I tell you what you wanted for Christmas when you were 7 years old.
I don't remember that.
Okay.
Actually, I do remember that. What did I want?
That face.
Oh my god.
God knows.
Oh, they are so real.
Little girl, what's up with that?
What are you doing, little girl?
Keep that to yourself.
Hey, little. Hey, little. Hey, little. She said no.
That's great. Toby, you just hold on. Get on the leer. H99.
Well, you should have gotten them by now, Rick. I sent them 5 minutes ago. Well, did you check to see if they got them to your spot holder?
Little. Little girl.
Foundation.
And Frankie's just bored. Okay. She's done. No, wait. No,
Okay.
nope, she's not done.
Well, he sort of said yes, and I'm too busy to deal with it kind of way. That's good enough for me.
God, no.
There she goes. Oh my God, he got off the bed. Throw him back on the bed.
Get it back on the bed. Hang on. I got it.
Oh, like I'm really gonna tell you. That's between me, Nigel, and Grandpa.
Frankie's getting attention.
Oh.
Frankie, no.
She's a good girl. What?
That's the question.
Hang
That
on.
way.
Can you bring... Can I play it on the computer?
Nope.
Right now.
Almost,
Not right now.
I said I almost said blank.
See you
Go.
for the big day. All right, thank you. And if you don't mind-
Okay.